चाय विद करण चाय विद करण की तीसरे एपिसोड में चिन्मय सर का स्वागत है।
Hello.
कैसे सर?
Thank you for inviting. I'm good.
Your Hindi is good, right?
Not, it's not good. I know.
मेरा आसामी
You'll find
अच्छा
out.
मेरा आसामी अच्छा नहीं क्योंकि मैं बोल सकता हूँ लेकिन मैं उसका माँ बहन नहीं।
Yeah, I understand. The
Most of
same
the people
goes
will
for Hindi
be
as well.
Yeah.
It's cool.
So
I can
to-
try.
आपका नया ट्रेलर देखा मैंने।
हाँ,
It was fantastic.
Thank you.
How was the experience?
It was good because very low budget, very low budget. It was around 21 to 2000. We made the whole film.
Oh.
Yeah, and it was a collaboration, so not everyone took the fee. Only a very few people did. So I'll have to use English. हाँ, हिंदी में सब
Yeah,
कुछ बात नहीं कर
you can.
सकते.
Even I will use English in some.
Cool. तो टाइट बजट था, तो टाइम भी कम था, 2 दिन था हम लोगों के पास. सो एक दिन इंडोर के लिए और फिर आउटडोर के लिए. और आउटडोर का चीज़ यही था कि वेदर वाज नॉट दैट गुड. सो लाइट का भी प्रॉब्लम था हम लोगों के पास. एक्स्ट्रा लाइट नहीं था सेकेंड डे के लिए. सो हाँ, इट वाज हार्ड बट let's see. It's a new kind of film as well. I didn't touch this topic, so I'm excited how people will accept this thing.
Yes. मतलब अभी बहुत लोगों ने आपका खिली की जो ट्रेलर है वो नहीं देखा होगा.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपका ये जो जॉनरा है ना, जो शॉर्ट फिल्म का आपने बनाया है, बहुत लोगों ने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया हुआ. एंड इन माय ओपिनियन दे आर अनलकी. मुझे लगता है कि दे शुड एक्सप्लोर दिस सेक्शन. और ये एक अलग ही आर्ट है क्योंकि द बीजीएम्स, द वीएफएक्स, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक टॉप नॉच. तो मेरे हिसाब से उनको ये देखना चाहिए जो बिगिनर्स हैं, उनको फिल्म मेकिंग के बारे में सीखने का मौका मिलेगा व्हेन दे वॉच योर शॉर्ट फिल्म्स. बट इफ यू कैन गिव मी 3 रीजंस ऑन व्हाई दे शुड वॉच योर शॉर्ट फिल्म्स.
The very basic motivation that I get to make a film is not कि लोगों को ये देखने को मिलेगा, क्या बोलेंगे वो लोग. I make films for myself first. तो ये स्टोरी था, मुझे अच्छा लगा. हाँ, by the way, you know Karan as well, right?
Yes, definitely.
So this is his story. So this is the very first time that like I'm working on someone else's story for the very first time. तो अभी तक जितना भी बनाया है around 10 short films, तो मेरा ही स्टोरी था क्योंकि I could connect with that very well. लेकिन जब करण बात कर रहे थे इसके बारे में तो मुझे लगा हाँ, somewhere down the line इस फिल्म, इस टॉपिक के ऊपर मुझे टच करना था. देन उसके साथ बात किया तो स्क्रीन प्ले मैंने डेवलप किया. तो वी सॉ दैट फिल्म. देन ये नया था, कुछ एक नया टॉपिक ट्राई कर रहे थे हम लोग. तो आई वांटेड टू बी स्पेशल फॉर माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट कि मुझे कैसा लगेगा ये फिल्म बना के, या फिर व्हाट विल आई लर्न फ्रॉम दिस फिल्म व्हाइल मेकिंग दिस फिल्म. एंड बजट का जो कंस्ट्रेंट था वो भी. तो हाँ, दिस इज द फिल्म आई मेड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल ओवर अगेन. तो देख के मुझे पता चलेगा क्या गलती मैंने किया, क्या होना चाहिए था, जो मैंने सोच के रखा था वो हुआ या नहीं. आफ्टर दैट आई विल सी हाउ लाइक द व्यूअर्स विल परसीव इट. तो मेरा जो दिखाने का, फिल्म दिखाने का जो नज़रिया है तो उन लोगों को पसंद आया या नहीं वो बाद में आता है. लेकिन फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ कि this should make me feel really happy that like I have made this film and I'm really happy with this. So yeah.
आपने एक बात बोला कि आप जब शॉर्ट फिल्म बना लेते हैं, you review like रीचेक करते हैं. तो what's the procedure कि रीचेक आप कैसे करते
I
हैं?
don't recheck.
रीचेक नहीं करते आप, रिव्यू.
Like recheck, what do you mean about?
जैसे आपने कोई एक शॉर्ट फिल्म बना लिया, उसके बाद आपको लाइक फ्लॉज निकालने होंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, तो वो आप कैसे डिस्कस करते हैं?
हाँ, the problem is small constraint, like budget का constraint जब होता है तो प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि you don't have much space to work on because अगर कोई लाइट का प्रॉब्लम हो गया या फिर किसी ने कुछ गलती किया, कंटिन्यूटी नहीं देखा, ये सब we cannot shoot it again because एक दिन छोड़ो, 1 घंटे का शूटिंग के लिए हम लोगों का कैमरा चाहिए, फिर लेंसेज चाहिए, लाइट चाहिए, फिर वो लोग ट्रेवल करेंगे, खाना चाहिए, तो फिर इट्स अराउंड 10,000 मनी विल टेक. सो वो हम लोग के पास नहीं है क्योंकि ऑल ओवर द होल बजट इज अराउंड 20,000. सो वो कर नहीं सकते एक स्मॉल बजट फिल्म में. अगर बजट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो, लाइक जोखिनी, इट वाज अराउंड 2.5 lakhs द होल बजट वाज. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग गलती कर सकते थे और फिर करेक्ट कर सकते थे क्योंकि हम लोग के पास थोड़ा पैसे थे. हालांकि जितना पैसे प्रोड्यूसर्स ने दिए थे उससे ज़्यादा हुआ और I had to pay for it. Then I'm happy with the film turned out good, but there were some flaws as well जो मैंने recheck नहीं किया. So it's my fault. Recheck करना चाहिए था, लेकिन वही एक प्रोसेस होना चाहिए कि फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट हुआ, उसके उसके बाद मैं देखूँ, एडिटर के साथ बैठूँ, फिर वो सब तो नॉर्मली हम लोग वो करते हैं. बट द फील, इफ आई एम फीलिंग द लाइक द सेम एनर्जी जब मैंने सोचा था ये आइडिया फिल्म के बारे में कि हाँ दिस इज द फिल्म दैट आई वांटेड टू मेक, तो उसके बाद जब फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट देख रहे हैं या फिर विद द म्यूजिक देख रहे हैं तो वो ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है या नहीं. अगर नहीं हो रहा तो आई एम फेलिंग एज अ डायरेक्टर. सो दैट्स माय प्रोसेस mentally that I do. Baki technically, obviously, I'll have to check everything, every frames, how it's sounding with the music. Music should be perfect, aligning with the vision that I had perceived. So वो सब होने के बाद तो मन से like एक आवाज आता है ना कि हाँ it's a good film. But sometimes क्या होता है कि पहले ऐसे सोच सकते हैं कि हाँ ऐसा फिल्म बनेगा, लेकिन due to budget or maybe mismanagement दूसरा ही हो जाता है. But that doesn't mean I'm disappointed by that. It's a beauty of filmmaking as well. Throughout the process, you had to make some changes, and it turned out to be great.
Everything is not perfect.
Yeah, and the imperfection turns out to be great sometimes.
तो फ्लॉज जो आपने बोले ना कि इवन मैं भी जब कुछ शूट करता हूँ तो गलतियाँ मिलती है, फिर मुझे रियलाइज होता है कि शायद स्क्रिप्टिंग और अच्छे से होना चाहिए. तो आप स्क्रिप्टिंग कैसे करते हैं?
जब तुमने बोला कि जब गलती निकलता है,
हाँ.
so do you overdo the whole shooting process or what do you do?
Like first, I just bring a pen and paper and just write all the things.
Yeah.
उसके
No,
बाद
after shooting the film, if you have shot the film, maybe a sequence of the film, then after that, do you change everything and reshoot it if you do not like the thing?
No, I will.
Yeah. Even I do keep this thing. Then I change the whole process of scripting. Khorapak में कुछ script ही नहीं था.
Scripting.
It was in my brain that like I knew I had to do this, and I went along with it. And there was just a few dialogues that I had written, but besides that, like there was no script.
तो ये तो बेसिक में बोलते हैं कि फिल्म मेकिंग में जाना है तो तुम्हें स्क्रिप्टिंग तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Yeah, for sure. But like if you're the director, if you have written the story, if you are the scriptwriter, it's in your brain. So I don't think like you should. Actually, of course, it's not a rule, but of course you should do it. So that everybody else can understand the story, what to do and not. It was my mistake. I'm not saying with pride that like I didn't do it. I'm great, but all I'm saying is I didn't get time much, and I was not aware of the thing that like I should do the whole scripting process really well. I should give enough time to pre-production. नहीं दिया था पहले pre-production. पहले जो short films बनाए थे 2015 में, 16 में, 17 में. Maybe it took only a week from scripting to just finally getting the film ready. So 7 दिन में खत्म. तो ऐसे करते थे क्योंकि I felt कि I have that concept. तो उसके ऊपर मुझे अभी बनाना है क्योंकि it's fresh in my mind right now. So ये जो अभी जोश है तो उसी जोश में शूट करो, एडिट करो, फाइनल रेडी करो क्योंकि if you're prolonging it, if you're delaying it for a longer time, maybe 8 months, 2 months, 3 months चला गया तो 3 महीने पहले तुमने जो thought process था वो खत्म हो जाएगा, right? Like it's a different whole another vibe.
और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन भी हो जाता है कि करूँगा कल करूँगा.
मेरी तरफ से नहीं होता, टीम में से होता है. अभी हो रहा है.
अच्छा. और एक बेसिक सा सवाल है मेरा कि अगर आप स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो आप पेन में लिखना मतलब पेपर में लिखना प्रेफर करते हैं या फिर डेस्कटॉप में?
पेपर. The scripting process, I'll tell you. Well, in the ideation process, what I do is I take elements. ऐसे नहीं कि like एक बड़ा सा मुझे एक issue मिल गया, then I create some characters, then some issues, then I'll join them. No, it was first elements that like if I'm talking about menstruation, then some women that I have met in my life, then like I'm taking some elements, then I join them together like a thread. Then I try to just refurnish it. Then I talk to some people about it. Then like what was your experience regarding this issue? Then I try to add more elements. Then I take a bigger picture around it. So I make the whole ideation process based on this thing. Then after that I start tracking, not as a character, but taking the whole story as a character. The character will come along. Normally, if you're reading a script of a very good film, or feature film, it's based on they write the characters, right? Character 1, character 2, character 3. So it revolves around the characters. But my film, I try to revolve around the whole issue, the story, The story is the king here. In my films, you won't see the
Yes,
hero or heroines the glamorous lifestyle or the whole issue is based on their lifestyle. The story is another character. It's whole another character in my film. So the story takes the main stage.
So the story is the main USP
Yeah.
rather than the hero of the movie.
Yeah.
And you talk about elements, right? So I want to like discuss कि suppose आपने अगर जोकनी बनाया तो उसमें क्या क्या elements आपने cover किए?
Yeah.
Let's just left जोकनी aside. We talk about खिरी आपका
No, joking is good enough. We can talk about it.
Yeah.
The feeling that my mom was pregnant and she told me about Jokini. So I had that fear, like I had that curiosity. That she told me that like she felt this character, she felt some energies surrounding her when she was pregnant. Then it was trying to contact her, and then I tried to learn more about it, but she even didn't know much about it. Then later on in my life, I kept thinking about this whole issue, like what happened, like what was it? It was a ghost or it was any kind of being it can be, right? What Zucchini is. Then there was nothing much to read about it in books or any kind of on internet even. You won't get much to read about. तो मैं बैठ के सोचता था इसके बारे में कि क्या हो सकता है, क्यों हो सकता है, क्योंकि the woman is at a vulnerable stage, that is why she is trying to come at her. तो ये हो सकता है, या फिर उस बच्चे को ले जाने के लिए उनका क्या मोटिव हो सकता है. So everybody will say that she tries to kill that baby, or maybe she tries to steal that baby and keep it for herself. जो मतलब जितना भी खराब या फिर नेगेटिव चीज है वो लोग बोलेंगे कि Zucchini is bad. But I thought, what about the other part? She can be a good being as well. She wants to save that baby maybe from her because she is under some danger. So उसके ऊपर मैंने सोचा. Then I could connect it to the story of Noakalikai Falls.
Oh.
Yeah, from Meghalaya. So I connected from this Zucchini, from our Assamese culture, folklore, then to Noakalikai, another folklore from Meghalaya. So I connected it. Then the characters came. Molaya came. Then the character Bedobrook came. Then I tried to add Bhavna. Through Bhavna we could tell the story because it was a long story and we had very short time. It was short film, right? Even though it was 45 minutes, we could elongate it for another 20-30 minutes for sure, easy. Then it would have been a feature film. But I don't want to make my first feature film like this. I have a very amazing story and I'm really passionate about it. I'm emotional about it as well. So I've been writing my first feature film.
Featured film में हम लोगों को कुछ अलग genre देखने को मिलेगा, like action,
yeah,
thriller, comedy, या फिर
everything. See, I won't say that my feature film will be an art film or maybe a mass film. If I'm taking someone's money, a producer is paying me money, so he will or she will expect the money back, right?
Yes.
So she should see some USP to get her or his money back. So my film will be a mixture of art film plus mass film that everybody can enjoy, and everybody can relate the film to their lifestyle.
Definitely it will be in Hindi, right?
Sorry?
It will be in Hindi.
No, it will be in Assamese.
In Assamese.
Yeah, for sure.
You can call me for dubbing.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, there will be a dub version as well. Yeah.
Like we talk about Hindi films. अगर आपको कोई भी मसाला फिल्म बनाना है, कि टॉलीवुड या फिर बॉलीवुड लोग बनाते हैं, कौन से एक्टर को आप चूज करेंगे?
बॉलीवुड करें?
Even you can choose from Tollywood as well.
फहद फासिल for sure.
फहद फासिल वो पुष्पा 1 में जो एंड में जो विलन बन के आते हैं ना, प्रोड्यूसर अभी याद है मुझे. और उनका एक इल्यूमिनाटी वाला गाना है.
Yeah. Those are massive films for sure, but the other films, Josie, then there was a super or something, I forgot the name. Then all other films, you should just Google it and watch his films. He's an amazing actor and he brought the life to many films that I have watched recently.
Okay, तो उनको आप हीरो के तौर पे लेंगे?
For sure, yeah.
उनको बहुत लोगों ने विलेन के तौर पे मैक्सिमम लोगों ने देखा है.
The ones that you have watched, the massive films. That's
Definitely.
right. And obviously Rajkumar Rao for sure.
Rajkumar Rao from Bollywood.
Yeah.
What about Salman and Shah Rukh Khan?
It's not that they're not good actors, but I don't think they would do. Say if I'm talking about logic and all, so obviously I wouldn't have much budget, right? So उसमें वो लोग नहीं आएंगे शायद. And वो लोग वो कुछ नहीं करेंगे जो मैं उन लोगों को बोलूँगा. तो I'll have to, because I've seen many interviews, so उन लोगों का चलता है, right? So हाँ, तो like I told you, in my films there are no massy
Yes.
heroes or
Mm.
actresses or all other things. This would be the story should be the hero
Yeah.
of the film. So they wouldn't agree with this, I guess.
Mm.
And I need to sell their faces as well.
Yes. सलमान खान और शाहरुख खान में एक पोटेंशियल भी है ना कि कहीं ना कहीं वो ऐसे मूवी में जा सकते हैं जिनमें वो विलेन का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, ऐसा रहता है।
नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि because they will lose that massy hero image that they want to, like, even they're around 55 60, right? Yeah, even then they wouldn't do it. Maybe Shahrukh Khan somewhere will do it, but not Salman Khan, I guess.
कोई रिसेंट मूवी देखा है आपने
Recent
बॉलीवुड में?
बॉलीवुड में नहीं देखा, हॉलीवुड में देखा। See, I keep forgetting these names. हाँ, बॉलीवुड नहीं बोल सकते, but all we imagine as light I have also. You haven't? The like we recently won the Cannes. Then in you haven't?
मैं बोला ना मास वाला मूवी।
Okay, all okay, good.
हाँ,
Got it, got
आप बहुत रेयर मूवी देखते हैं ना?
it. No. See, even
मेरे लिए रेयर होगा, मेरे लिए रेयर होगा।
rare.
हाँ।
I don't know. See, I see many films, but ऐसा नहीं कि it's a culturally hit, or maybe it's a cult classic, or it's a massive film. I do not choose it on the basis of that. I watch the reviews, I then watch the storyline, then I watch the trailer, then I decide like if I should watch it, because it's a 2 or 3 hours long film. I do not have much time to watch everything. But all we imagine is that I wanted to watch it because it was on the list of officially selected for Oscars from India. So I had to watch it. Like I wanted to see what's different in this, and it had recently won Cannes in the Cannes Film Festival as well. There was another one. It was nominated for. So I thought like let's see what's different, what's amazing in the film. If I should learn something from this film. I didn't like it much, to be honest, but yeah, it was a good experience. Yeah. Because real life stories were there.
अवार्ड्स में तो अभी आपको कलाकारी अवार्ड्स मिला है, सो बिग कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर दैट।
Thank you.
और आपको मिला था ना वो चाइना ड्रैगन,
Was
यू आर
officially selected.
for
But Ahalla won a lot of other film festivals. That was the first film that I sent for the film festivals.
तो जिनको नहीं पता, चाइना ड्रैगन अवार्ड वो अवार्ड है फॉर द हाईएस्ट ऑनर फॉर इंटरनेशनल like science and educational films.
Yeah,
right?
we have remembered it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was really excited when I got to know about it. But even that was for Norakahur. But officially we haven't sent the film to film festivals like by using our money. That was for free, listed on filmfreeway.com. Kalakari was again free. But from March or April onwards, I will start sending to film festivals. You need to pay the fee, right? So
तो गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड ऐसे ही है,
or you need to pay the fee. I don't know.
उसमें पे करना पड़ता है।
Maybe.
आपने जो नराक से बोला ना, मैं प्रोनाउंस भी नहीं कर पा रहा।
You can say in Hindi what is the pronunciation?
नराका से।
Okay, good. Yeah, it's the same.
उसमें बीजीएम मुझे सॉलिड लगा।
Yeah.
वाओ, क्या बीजीएम था।
Shout out to Biddut Vikas Burwa.
हाँ।
Yeah. So
आपका शॉर्ट फिल्म से VFX कौन करता है?
VFX,
Classic.
Ops Visuals, Ankur and Upam Mapu.
घोड़ापा का VFX,
Upam,
वाओ,
it was Upam.
वाओ। कैसा
I
रहा?
will say thank you.
कैसा रहा वो एक्सपीरियंस?
It was good. I mean, like it was tough, right? I mean, we had to show some supernatural being.
हाँ।
We couldn't do it just using the camera and horses and everything. So we had to do VFX. So he was the one. Then I met him in a shoot in a film called Morameniye. So from there onwards we started working together in Khorapak. Then there was another film, if you haven't watched, Tezo Tugura. Have you watched the film? My film. Yeah. So we used puppetry for the whole film. And it was a very sensitive topic. So, if you ask me about my favorite films of me, then it would come in the top 3 for sure.
Okay. सर हमने सोचा था कि आपका जोखरी का जो सीक्वल है ना, उसको कंटिन्यू करके एक दूसरा शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाएंगे, पूरा कंप्लीटली कॉपी नहीं करेंगे।
Yeah, I got it.
तो हमें डर था कि कॉपीराइट इशू मिल गया तो हम तो चले गए फिर। कॉपीराइट इश्यूज मिलेगा क्या आपका?
नहीं, not from me. There's this YouTube channel. उन लोगों का 3 million से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है? I forgot the name. I really wanted to take the name here. तो वो लोग
I really wanted to take the name here.
name of that YouTube channel.
Wow.
Because उन लोगों ने फिल्म से एक completely हम लोगों का स्टोरी, वो mythological स्टोरी है ही नहीं, हम लोगों ने उस हिसाब से दिखाया कि ऐसा ऐसे हुआ था, तो इसलिए जोखिनी का साथ उनको रिलेट कर दिया स्टोरी को। तो उन लोगों को लगा कि ये mythological स्टोरी है, तो वो कंप्लीट हम लोगों ने बनाया हुआ स्टोरी कंप्लीट डाल दिया उन लोगों के यूट्यूब चैनल में बोल के कि उन लोगों ने वो क्या ड्राफ्ट किया है, तो एनिमेशन जैसा कुछ दिखाया था, तो कंप्लीटली हम लोगों से लिया है, तो क्रेडिट तो दे दो भाई, वी डोंट वांट मनी, वी डोंट जस्ट क्रेडिट तो दे दो भाई, हम लोगों ने बनाया, वहाँ पे 3 मिलियन तुम लोगों के पास है, तो व्यूज भी बहुत मिलियंस है, तो यू आर गेटिंग मनी राइट, तो कम से कम तुम क्रेडिट दे सकते हो ना, क्रेडिट भी नहीं दिया, तो हम लोगों ने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखा क्या ही हो सकता है, तो वी कुडंट डू एनीथिंग।
व्यूज कितने आए इसमें, उसके कितने आ जाए?
3 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स ही है, तो ऑफ कोर्स व्यूज तो होगा।
लेकिन अगर किसी को आपका कुछ यूज करना है,
मेरा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं भाई, मेरे चैनल से जो भी लो ले लो, कोई बात
जो
नहीं, पूरा फिल्म मत डालो भाई, सो सेक्शंस लाइक 30 सेकंड्स 40 सेकंड्स यू कैन टेक, इट्स कूल।
जो जिसने प्रोड्यूस किया है, जैसे जोखिम हो गया,
हाँ जोखिम घोड़ा पाक का हो सकता है, वो फिल्म से मत लो, ट्रेलर से ले सकते हो।
ओके, तो ये फॉर्मल वाला पार्ट हो चुका है, जिसमें भी हमने बहुत सारे फिल्म मेकिंग के टॉपिक्स इंक्लूड किए अभी, लेकिन इतना ये सब डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते इतना लंबा टाइम तक, थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मल भी होना जरूरी है, थोड़ा बकचोदी करना जरूरी है, तो फिल्म मेकर्स ये हाफ पार्ट डन हो चुका है, आप लोग जा सकते हैं अभी हमारे जैसे लोग आ जाओ, थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मल डिस्कशंस होगा। तो सर मैं पहले माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ अगर कुछ मुँह से अनाप निकल गया,
लेट्स गो,
कट कर देंगे हम। वो आपकी जो विलेज में गए थे ना,
मेरा विलेज,
आपका विलेज है वो
कुछ
जहाँ पर घोड़ा पाक शूट हुआ था,
हाँ
जिसमें हम
when did you go? When did you go?
रेस्टोरेंट में जो गए थे ना,
वो तो नहीं वहाँ पे शूट नहीं हुआ था,
वहाँ पर उसने बोला वहाँ पर ही हुआ था।
कौन बोला?
वो क्या नाम है मैम?
वो ट्रेलर था, ट्रेलर का शूट हुआ था, उनका दुकान है ना, दुकान
हाँ।
के पीछे ट्रेलर शूट हुआ, और वो मेरा गाँव नहीं है।
अब वो नहीं, बाय द वे ह्यूज शाउट आउट टू नयन का, वो
नयन,
जो विजन है वो बहुत अच्छा है।
Yeah, his restaurant Bartalab and your restaurant as well. What's the name?
शुरुआत
शुरुआत है।
वार्तालाप और शुरुआत का कोलैबोरेशन दिखेगा,
शुरुआत हो गया है।
रेस्टोरेंट का सर, आप तो रेस्टोरेंट में जाते रहते हैं,
Yeah.
किस टिप से क्या रेस्टोरेंट को ग्रो करनी है?
नहीं, I'm not a businessman actually. A lot of people say कि business करो. I'm not a businessman.
मुझे लगता है, आपको क्या लगता है आसाम में अगर किसी को बिजनेस ग्रो करना है ना, क्या
वो मुझे पता नहीं बिजनेस के बारे में, लेकिन हाँ जो अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा कि रेस्टोरेंट एज अ कस्टमर मुझे क्या एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए रेस्टोरेंट से, वो बोलता हूँ कि पे अटेंशन टू द कस्टमर्स।
हाँ,
अगर मुझे कुछ चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि तुमको ढूंढूं लोगों को कौन है ऑर्डर डू, भाई हाँ पे अटेंशन की दे वांट टू ऑर्डर समथिंग और क्या चाहिए बीच में अगर पूछो, एंड एम्बियंस शुड बी लाइक यू नो कि वहाँ पे कंफर्ट फील हो, खाना खा रहे हैं, हाइजीन हो, दैट्स इट। एंड प्राइसिंग का देखो कि देखो अगर एम्बियंस अच्छा बनाया या फिर यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विसेज वेल, देन हाँ प्राइसिंग कैन बी अ लिटिल ऑन द अपर साइड, बट खाना भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है या फिर एक्सपीरियंस भी अच्छा नहीं, तो फिर एट दैट मोमेंट मे बी द प्राइसिंग शुड बी ऑन द मॉडरेट लेवल एज ए कस्टमर।
मुझे लगता है कि आसाम में अगर बिजनेस ग्रो करना है तो आपको सच में सर,
ओके आई डिडंट गेट इट।
अगर मैं किसी टॉमटॉम वाले को बोलूँगा
हाँ
भैया वो मुझे तेजपुर जाना है, कितने रुपए लगेगा, बोलेगा 200, मैं उससे जुबान नहीं लड़ा सकता, लेकिन अगर मैंने वही सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा कि दादा आमदर तेजपुर जाम लगे कत टाका,
दैट्स नॉट अ लैंग्वेज,
ऐसे टाइप का ही है,
इट्स नॉट
वो बोलेगा 20
आई डोंट नो, यहाँ पे नहीं है भाई, यहाँ पे नहीं।
20 वो आसाम में बहुत है सर, और किसी लड़की ने अगर दिया ना वो सेफ है सर, उसका कुछ नहीं होने वाला,
बट इट्स नॉट अ लैंग्वेज भाई जो अभी यूज कर रहे हो, इट्स नॉट अ लैंग्वेज।
चलता है सर हमारे वहाँ तो,
हाँ मेबी
बहुत चलता है सर।
हाँ तो वो कम कर देता है क्या प्राइस?
कभी डेफिनेटली सर, मतलब ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कमा दिए तो पूरा बिजनेस तो चलने वाला है,
ओके
और मैक्सिमम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वाले तो मुस्लिम में
ओके नो कमेंट ऑन दैट। नहीं कट करना नहीं है, क्या है कुछ खराब नहीं है
सर। आप
आई गेट द आइडिया।
जब टायर पंचर हो जाता है तो आप किसको कराएंगे?
टायर पंचर होता है, हाँ लेट्स चेंज द टॉपिक भाई। या अंडरस्टैंड लाइक दे आर डूइंग रियली गुड, हार्ड वर्क बहुत करते हैं,
हार्ड वर्क डेफिनेटली
फॉर श्योर एंड
करने चाहिए,
हाँ तो दैट्स हाउ इकोनॉमी ग्रोज, बट ऑब्वियसली देयर आर सम अदर सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम्स दैट कम्स विद इट, तो वो हाँ हम लोगों एज द गवर्नमेंट शुड टेक केयर ऑफ दैट थिंग। So I'm not a political person or any administrative person, so let's not talk about it.
Yes.
When I make a film, then I'll make a film about it. Just let's not talk about it right now. Controversial.
रैंडम टॉक करते हैं सर।
Yeah.
डेटिंग वगैरह कभी किया है आपने?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
फर्स्ट कब किया था डेट?
First, what do you consider as a date?
डेट ये डेट मेरे हिसाब से कि वही उसको लेके गए हम।
हाँ, 2010. Yeah, 2010 or 11 years, 11, 2011 years.
मतलब आपकी एज में थे?
Yeah, class 11.
क्लास 11 में थे?
Yeah.
कैसी थी लड़की वो, like आपका चॉइस कैसा था उस टाइम के हिसाब से?
She was cute. She was a singer. She's so art. तो ऐसे कुछ connect हो गया था. She was good. She was good. At first I thought she was good. Yeah.
तो आपको कैसी लड़की?
I got cheated then.
चीट कर दिया आपको?
Yeah.
अभी रिग्रेट
I
करते
got
हो?
कौन वो?
तो
Why will she regret?
रिग्रेट करती होगी
School.
अभी?
सब mutual होता है bro. I mean like if you're talking about relationship, why people cheat? Like I'm not saying कि भाई cheat करना चाहिए. Of course I'm against it. But I got cheated like around first, maybe around 3 times. हाँ, but see this is my perspective, right? वो अगर लड़की यहाँ पे होती तो फिर उसका पर्सपेक्टिव दूसरा होता ना, तो I cannot say anything regarding that. But yeah, so in a relationship it takes two. So मेरे से भी कोई गलती होगी, तो that's why she had to see somebody else. But हाँ, वो जब हुआ ना वो सब, तो I'm afraid of dating or right now, and I don't think I'm ready much. Sometimes I feel I am ready, but I don't think as of now I'm. So I've been single since 2018.
ओह, अभी कितने साल हो गए?
7?
7 साल हो गए?
Yeah.
7
7
साल
is my
single?
lucky number, so maybe.
ओह, सिंगल रहने का सर क्या रीजन है कि
Reason is there was some complications till 2019 for sure. We were not in a relationship, the last relationship that I had, but she got married later. Yeah, because I quit my job and everything. Then I started preparing for an exam. Then we just started for a low period where I was not earning as well. Then after 2 years, then I got in a job, 2 jobs actually. Then I started, but at the same time the preparation phase was on. So मुझे focus करना था मेरे body, mind, art and study के ऊपर. तो my sister is getting married this 20th. So this thinking, this thought that I had कि मुझे अगर like she shows her husband like by herself. तो if I had to choose somebody जो मेरे बहन से शादी करेगा, like या फिर like if I see my Hindi is not that good, I don't know how to put it
in English as well.
हाँ, तो नहीं, it's cool, I'll try. तो I'll find a guy like who is financially stable and who's really confident about his future, and someone who built his way to the up. I mean like he struggled, he went through all kind of distractions, then he overcome that, then he tried really hard. Someone who knows if at a certain point of time अगर वो गिरता भी है वो खुद से उठ सके, right? So I'm going through that phase. So I have quit my job. There was some like government jobs as well. So I'm trying hard for something that I really want. तो वो जब मेरा मुकाम है तो उससे पहुंचने से पहले बहुत struggles रहेंगे, right? So if I choose somebody now, so I cannot give my 100% to her that I feel sometimes. And from my experiences, I have seen that like that person also doesn't give the 100% as well. So that was the thing that like I didn't try hard enough. And yeah, maybe in a while I'll be in a relationship for sure. Kab? How can I say that?
When the right girl.
Yeah, I haven't met the right person as well. I know sometimes I feel, she can be the right person, then I, do not get the motivation to go and, just let her know, or other things do not work out. But I genuinely feel that I haven't met the person that I want to be with, or we are this time to be together. I believe in all other destiny. I believe in destiny, so there will be someone. So, I'm not making myself ready for someone, but that person, if I'm taking that perspective, so I'm working hard for my life, for our life that will be together, and she is working for the same, then at a certain point of time we will meet. So that's my thinking, that let's not just put energy into this. It will, if it has to be there,
the universe will find it, right?
Yeah, universe. Yeah.
आपके लिए looks matter करता है क्या?
To some extent, for sure, yeah.
कुछ accent
I wouldn't say that no, I do. I mean, see, matter करता है, but अगर बोलूँ कि it will be in the very lower side. not in the. If I'm talking about 10 points, it will be in the 9th one.
Okay. Oh, मतलब बहुत नीचे है.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
I mean, the most important thing that matters is like she should be human. Like you know, she knows how to respect people, uh, how to reciprocate the love. Because I'm a giver in a relationship. I'm a giver.
Oh,
So if I do not get anything in the long run, so I think the love will fade away somewhere. So I want the giver as well. So and yeah, I mean I wouldn't be able to express it like with words, but I know what kind of person I want. But I'm not choosing. I'm not choosing that like you know you cannot just manufacture a person with those ideas that you have. But we'll have to just make some changes. The person that I am is a single person, so I will need to give it some changes, then blend it accordingly to make the relationship work.
आपका कोई क्रश था क्या कि किसी मूवी में देख लिया?
मूवी में
Movie में
दूसरे
देख
के
लिया?
मूवी में
हाँ?
दूसरे के मूवी में
दूसरे की मूवीज में?
हाँ हाँ film।
अपने मूवीज में बोल सकते
नहीं,
हैं. अपने मूवीज में
अपनी मूवीज में मेरा ये डायरेक्ट वो है तो सब बहनें हैं अभी तक जिसने काम किया and you if you see you can call or text anybody that any female that have worked with me or any male person as well. I'm a straight guy so yeah तो confused हो
Definitely you are.
yeah तो वो female को पूछोगे कि how Chinmay Verma is so everybody will say like how I you know make them feel at home and comfort so I feel as a director that's my responsibility so I go extra mile to feel make them feel important and at home that like she's being taken care of and she's safe.
Okay, like a brother.
Yeah, like I haven't give it a name but yeah as a brother I can say.
बॉलीवुड में या फिर किसी में कोई हीरोइन पसंद आ गई ऐसा कभी हुआ है? मुझे एक हीरोइन पसंद थी उसका नाम याद नहीं है मुझे. राखी सावंत. राखी सावंत.
What? Okay. It can be. Yeah, she's frank. Yeah, she's frank.
It's my choice.
Yes, and she's bold as well. I mean, in the latent episode.
Latent episode.
Yeah, she was really good. She has a great humor.
लेकिन देखते आप?
Yeah, for sure.
समीरा ने पसंद है.
Yeah.
वो सारे एपिसोड्स देखे क्या?
I think you know last का अभी 3 episode.
अभी कौन सा एपिसोड लास्ट का 3-4 नहीं देखा है ना? वो महीप सिंह वाला देखा था?
हाँ.
मस्त लगा था.
सही बात. तो a lot of people are criticizing him like for the comments that he is making but the thing is you should understand वो बंदा बहुत सालों से कॉमेडी कर रहा है और मैं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी बहुत देखता हूँ फिर भी उनको नहीं देखा मैंने अभी वो कमेंट करने के बाद the kind of content he is making थोड़ा सा dark people are watching him so he is as a comedian he wants to make money so there's nothing wrong that's a part of comedy that's genre of comedy that's dark
so वो हीरोइन वाला आपने आंसर
heroine yeah maybe Kajal Agarwal
काजल अग्रवाल कौन थी?
South Indian actress.
South Indian actress.
Yeah, she was in Singham as well, I guess.
Oh हाँ वो वाली.
Yeah,
और वो समांथा?
Samantha Prabhu, हाँ she's cute.
She's cute. सच में. आज जिम गए थे क्या आज?
आज नहीं बंद है भाई 3 दिन.
3 दिन बाद. कुछ फॉलो करते हैं जिम में कि पुश पुल लेग मारना है, रो स्प्लिट मारना है क्या मारना है?
See, I try to do twice a day legs in a week. But I cannot not twice a day 2 days in a week but नहीं हो पाता वो and बाकी हाँ schedule रहते हैं chest के लिए shoulder then biceps my the genetics that I have I don't think I have great
you are huge really huge
I was not huge if you
I might be small then
I was like this back
yes.
in 2018 or maybe 19 even yeah I was like this only then I started eating junk foods. Then at the same time, after 1 year, I started going to the gym. But maybe 60 days in a year. But like the shoulder got broadened. Then I got some strength and like the whole structure changed in a span of 1.5 years. So I don't know how it happened. My father is not like this. Then yeah, but yeah, it's cool. It's good to have broad shoulders and all.
वैसे भी नलवारी लोग strong होते हैं मैं देखा है.
नलवारी का लोग.
होते हैं.
You cannot generalize that way.
Then most of the people are strong.
But I felt when I was working in Delhi, I felt this guys from Punjab and Haryana, those people are really strong.
But there is a different like strength of Northeast people, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
Northeast people are always top because
and Naga people as
Naga
well.
people, yes.
And not Naga, they are from Northeast only. This Nepalese people.
yeah, I'm Nepali.
You're Nepali.
Yeah.
They're really strong.
I'm not.
You will be. You will be.
I'm just-
So they are really good. Like I mean, I have seen some videos. Right? I mean, the Sherpas, they are Nepalis, right?
Yeah.
So those people are really like. See, I have fear of height, and that's why I wanted to, and I have a fear of, speaking of hundreds of people. I don't know what they call it, the phobia of stages.
Stage phobia.
Stage phobia. I don't know. Do not know the name. But, so the height, the phobia that I have with the height. So I always wanted to.
हाइट मतलब वो वाला हाइट ना कि
Height,
ऊपर से कोई
yes.
दिख रहा है कि वो
Yeah,
वाला
yeah,
या फिर
yeah.
मैं 6 फुट का हूँ मैं 5 फुट का वो वाला
No,
height?
no, no, no.
वो ऊपर वाला
Everest का
हाँ,
बात करूँ.
ठीक है
So I always wanted to, scale up Everest someday. But like वो पहले सोचता था, अभी तो भाई नहीं चाहिए भाई. So that's why I have watched a lot of documentaries and all. Sherpa people, like man, amazing. So you're from Nepal or you're from?
मैं नेपाल से नहीं आसाम से हूँ मेरे पता
आसाम
नहीं
से।
दादाजी पूर्वज कहाँ से आए थे मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता
Okay. Yeah. So Yeti, you know about it?
ये
Yeti.
या
So have you?
अलाहाबादी तो
हाँ।
पॉडकास्ट सुना ही
Allahabad का नहीं तुम like from your grandparents or?
येती मैंने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को ये सब बात करते हुए सुना ही नहीं है
Yeah. Interesting story of Yetis.
हाँ वो खुद ही नेपाल नहीं गए होंगे पता नहीं कहाँ मतलब मुझे भी नहीं पता कहाँ से मेरे
Correct.
एंसेस्टर्स थे
Mhm.
आपको नेपाली लड़कियाँ पसंद है क्या लाइक
Yeah, they're beautiful, bro. They're beautiful.
तो एक हुआ था ना वायरल की बादल बरसा बिजली
वो क्या वीडियो या फिर सॉन्ग?
वो सॉन्ग या फिर कुछ सॉन्ग में तो कितनी लड़कियां थी नेपाली लड़कियां
भाई कैसे बताओ कि वो नेपाली है या फिर इंडियन?
मैक्सिमम तो नेपाली थे
हाँ. I see. I have seen that, like Bengali people and Nepali people, they're really beautiful. I generalize नहीं करना, लेकिन Nepali people are really really beautiful.
मैं नेपाली हूँ बंगाली हूँ
हाँ, okay. You're strong. He is also strong. You're Bengali. Good.
स्ट्रॉन्ग से याद है आप एमएमए देखते हैं ना
MMA भाई, huge fan.
आ रहा है तू नया नया आ रहा है
18 को आ रही
18 को आ
है.
रहा है।
कभी सर इस्लाम मक्का से
खबीब तो नहीं आएगा
नहीं आएगा.
खबीब या कॉनर मैग्रेगर
कॉर्नर भाई कॉर्नर.
क्यों
वही ना, तो मैं उन लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ जो लाइफ में ट्राई करके ना
हाँ।
आफ्टर फेलियर इवन दे कीप ट्राइंग, दे कीप हसलिंग, और एक स्पेयर में नहीं लाइफ का बहुत, लाइक पर्सनली आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. I do boxing as well. I go to the gym, I sketch, then I make films, and academics maybe I've been putting so much effort. I write,
Wow.
so I do these things, right? So Conor McGregor is this thing. He's a family guy first. He loves his wife. She has been there for him since a very starting stage when he had nothing. She is there, and he has been with her as well. So, and he loves his kids a lot. I love kids a lot. So I love him.
they had been together from a very early
Yeah,
age
very.
wow
Yeah. So.
पता नहीं चला कॉनर
Yeah.
मतलब
He's super rich, first thing. So he never cheated, right? And there are some news about some people. I don't know. I don't think we should talk about it. But like, he has been there for her. She has been there for him as well. So I love a family guy. And at the same time, he fights. He's a businessman. He is passionate about his Irish people, his nation. So that's a guy like everybody should be, like really get inspired from.
इंडिया से भी कोई निकलना चाहिए ना कि एमएमए फाइटर कोई अच्छा
Yeah, Angad Beast style person.
अंगद भी अंशुल जुबली भी है ना
Anshul Jadli, I didn't like his style, but Angad Beast for sure.
अंशुल जुबली क्या मतलब स्टाइल क्यों नहीं पसंद
He gave up, bro. Even on the third round, I guess, or it was the second round.
हो कर दिया था ना
Shit, man. He just gave up. He got afraid. He was dominating the whole fight. I mean, like it was not a all full in dominating, but he was kind of dominating. But like in the third round, it was all.
हाँ वही 2-1 हो रहा था शायद ना राउंड 1 राउंड 2 में
Yeah.
मैंने अपना दुर्गा पूजा मिस करके उसका फाइट दिखा था फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ
Yeah,
दुर्गा पूजा
like for
देखने
the
चला।
MMA, UFC fans, they need to wake up really early
हाँ
for the prelims. I do not miss the prelims as well. Instagram है, this is beautiful. तुम पहचानो भाई वो नाम बोलो, लास्ट में दिखा था तुमको.
फोटो कैमरे में दिखा था
पागल हो गया भाई.
चल
वो सब रहेगा. That's cool. हाँ ये सब तुम यूज कर सकते हो बाद में क्या बोलते
behind
हो?
the scenes
हाँ kind of yeah.
यूज कर लेंगे
हाँ कर लो.
इट्स अ ट्यूब
कुछ
के
भी बोलो.
ट्यूब के स्टूडेंट के लिए कुछ पैसा मुझे ना देखो
Masses.
बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स हैं ट्यूब के
Customers.
हाँ.
Oh you have yeah.
आगे रेस्टोरेंट
तो क्या do?
कुछ
They should come to your restaurant.
हाँ ऐसा
I don't know much about your restaurant. Tell me about it.
बाद में खाना
What's the
अच्छा
theme? What's the theme? Khana is good.
Khana अच्छा
What's
है.
the theme? Do you follow anything like a theme that
नहीं
मैं अगर गया तो what should I feel about your restaurant?
द वाइब
Vibe.
The
What is
people?
it? What is it?
वाइब
What's the vibe? Yeah.
क्योंकि एक तो हमारा एरिया बहुत बड़ा है
Yeah.
यूनिवर्सिटी में जितने भी रेस्टोरेंट हैं छोटे छोटे ऐसे इसमें रूम है
Yeah. I've been there.
हाँ तो वो है ना कि स्टूडेंट लोग को बड़ा एरिया चाहिए क्योंकि
Yeah.
उनको प्राइवेसी चाहिए फीस फीस करेंगे तो उनको वो मिल जाता है, सच 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 में बोला है।
Okay.
तो मिल जाता है वो लोग को, बॉनफायर भी कर लेते हैं, तो ग्रुप बना के पता नहीं वो लोग क्या करते रहते हैं, तो वो
I didn't charge extra for that.
नो नो
Privacy.
नो, इट्स देयर राइट।
Okay. Nice.
तो एक तो वाइब,
Yeah.
और उसके बाद सेकंड है फूड। मैं हम सोच रहे थे कि आपके लिए कुछ लाएंगे, वहाँ से लेके आएंगे, लेकिन वो ये मैं कि
No, thank you. Yeah, thank you. I'll be there.
आप कभी आइएगा ना
Yeah, for sure.
रेस्टोरेंट।
Last year, like I mean, at the end of this year, and last year I was there as well.
और थोड़ा हम लोग का रेस्टोरेंट ना अंदर की तरफ है, मतलब
Yeah.
तो आपको पता चल चुका होगा कि अंदर की तरफ है, तो बहुत सारे वैराइटीज मिल सकती
TU के अंदर,
है। टीम के अंदर नहीं,
बाहर नहीं, बाहर
ही है।
निकलते ही.
हाँ बाहर ही है।
I've seen people, you know, socializing. Like how the vibe is really good. TU का.
टीम का वाइब अच्छा है।
Yeah. But like a few people told me that like you know हाँ आपको पहली बार आके vibe अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन जो लोग अंदर रहते हैं, they know that like it's not that like this. So there are some tossers as well.
और ना टीम का
Hard.
टीम का अंदर में ऐसा लगता है कि किसी फॉरेन कंट्री में आ गए,
क्यों? Or like all kind of nature.
क्लीनलीनेस अच्छा है, नेचर अच्छा है।
Oh हाँ that for sure. Yeah.
ना
हाँ तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस क्या था, तो हम लोग गए थे अहल्या बोल के एक शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाने के लिए गए थे, तो वी नीडेड एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस फॉर द फिल्म. सो देयर वर 3 पीपल, वी वर रोमिंग अराउंड. इट फेल्ट रियली गुड, द वाइब एंड एवरीथिंग. इट वाज इन November month I guess or October, just after Puja. Oh no, during Puja, a few days before Puja. It was amazing. The vibe and amazing. The whole thing, people talking to each other, socializing. It was amazing experience. And I met Karan there. Then
Okay.
I met there's another girl, I forgot the name. Then they acted, like he acted in the film. Then I got to meet a lot of people, all other people. Then second time I went there, there was a screening of Ahalya.
तो वो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
Amazing, bro. I mean, around 200 to 300 people were there.
मुझे लगता है नॉलबारी से ज़्यादा वहाँ आपके फैंस वहाँ पर हैं।
Fans, I wouldn't say fans, but Nalbari people, like I mean, some are friends, some do not even know me. I mean,
But
they should see I'm happy is that like they don't know my work. When someone asks them like if they have watched Korapak, Johini, they have, but they do not know the person. That's the best thing that can happen. Actually, they know my work. That's important.
हमने आज जिस टॉमटॉम में वहाँ पर गए थे ना, उसको बोला कि तू सब्सक्राइब कर। तू डिम्पू बोरा को पहचानता है, तो ये भी सब्सक्राइब कर, अच्छा वाला कंटेंट भी देख।
वो नहीं देखेंगे भाई, उनके लिए बनाए नहीं. So I'll tell you, like if you're watching my film, you should have a brain. I'm not generalizing that like he doesn't have a brain, but I'm saying this is not for the masses. So some people say no, like you know, it's for entertainment. Films are for entertainment. So if you're watching a film after a stressful work, so you want to watch it with free mind, you don't want to use your brain. I do not make films like this. You gotta use your brain. You gotta use your senses. In the ending, you will, you know, I'll leave you with a aftertaste. So that should be in your mouth when you, even after watching the film, 1 month, 2 months, you keep thinking about the film. That what was the ending, why it was like this. You will know the nuances of the film when you keep thinking about it. So I make films like that. I do not make films that you can just leave your brain out at home, then you just go, just watch the film and just forget.
मुझे खुद ही बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है समझने में।
Love is like that, right? If you love someone,
हाँ.
even after the breakup, obviously you'll have some fond memories of her, right? So the film is like this only, or art piece. After watching the film, if it leaves you with a good feeling or bad feeling or whatever the feeling is, so it's like a relationship you have with the film or the filmmaker.
फ्लैशबैक्स आते रहते हैं।
Yeah, that's good.
क्या पूछा अभी?
More question. So I have a question for you. Like, what do you think? I want to know your point of view. Do you think film can change our society?
Films.
Like you know the violent films that are being made, it can influence someone to commit any crime or something.
Maybe yes. Maybe yes.
To what extent?
Maybe there was a film last year, Animal. उसने सोसाइटी का बहुत सारे परसेप्शन को चेंज किया है मेरे हिसाब से। The misogynist conception.
Change किया for the better or worse?
For the worst.
Yeah.
For some people. And better for some people. कि फेमिनिज्म बहुत चढ़ रहा था ऊपर, तो एक मिसोजिनिस्ट भी आया जिसने सब कुछ बैलेंस कर दिया, तो चेंज कर सकता है मेरे हिसाब से। और ऐसा नहीं है ना कि कोई छोटा बच्चा भी देखने जा रहा है वो मूवी, तो उसको इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाएगा ना कि ये क्या हो रहा है।
So do you think the filmmaker has problems, personal problems or mental problems that he made the film like that? You know, it was his personal touch that he experienced from his own life.
फिल्ममेकर
Animal का जो
मेरे हिसाब से तो फिल्ममेकर इज राइट एट हिज प्लेस, मे बी देयर इज अ फॉल्स इन द ऑडियंस, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे मूवीज बन रहे तो व्हाई यू आर वाचिंग इट, इफ यू आर बिलो 18 व्हाई आर यू वाचिंग इट?
No, I didn't ask it. Cool. So if your point is correct, then if someone is making a film that's based on like real intentions, good intentions to change the society, so why doesn't it change people that much in respect to the bad films, the evil films they are doing?
Because negativity attracts more people, right?
So what's your point of view? Did you watch Animal?
एनिमल मैंने एनिमल देखा नहीं,
Cool.
नहीं देखा क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि वो मुझे बहुत अफेक्ट करेगा थोड़ा होने से भी।
Got it.
कल अगर मेरी बंदी होगी और अगर मैं उसको बोलूँगा कि जूते चाट मेरे,
Hmm?
जूते चाट मेरे, जो कि एनिमल में है,
Yeah, yeah.
तो ये एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है।
For sure.
आपको क्या लगता है
Yeah, for sure, the same thing.
कि
I mean, we have, as a filmmaker, we always have responsibilities for the society. The film we are making, we should be, if we are making even a violent film, so there should be some reasons behind that. And what I didn't like about Animal was the ending. They didn't show any remorse for his actions, so that was wrong from my part. Because of course, the mass audience of India, they do not have such intellect to understand art as art, or so they will think this is just the way it is and this is cool. So many people would take it as an example of doing or justifying their bad deeds as a justification, like they they have shown it in the film, Ranveer Singh has done it, so we can do it too. So that's the intellect. We do not have that intellect to understand a film. Sometimes most of the people do not. Satyajit Ray, he already said that about the audience of Indian films, that they are not intellectual enough to understand everything. So that's why massy films are more popular.
their Indian audience is very sensitive also maybe.
Sensitive.
Yeah. अभी लेटेंट आ रहा है, कितने लोग ऑफेंड हो रहे हैं?
I don't think they are offended. I just think they want to stay relevant. They just want to say something. Everybody should have opinion, but like sometimes I feel that they're just overreacting on something. But yeah, I'm not saying that Let It is amazing. We should do dark comedy like that. एक मैगजीन आया था होफुरा बोल के, तो वहाँ पे भवनर हो गया सर देखे थे लिखी सिला जे oh yeah I spoke actually because it is भवनर सर क्या
नहीं मैं समझता हूँ ना आसानी से।
हाँ तो he wrote
आसानी से बात
it's
करेंगे,
cool
आसानी से बात करेंगे।
ना it's cool तो he wrote जे मैंने लास्ट ठीक है भाई ये एसएमएस में आएगा भाई हिंदी में नहीं आएगा ये तो देखे थे लिखी सिला लास्ट बोले जे जुने धमाली दुमुज है तार लोगों धमाली कोई वो ना लगे so it's like that तो in latent तो किसी के साथ अगर वो बात कर रहे हैं तो उसको अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा वो डार्क कॉमेडी क्या है या फिर he doesn't want to get involved in this तो उसको अगर तुम ऐसे पुल करोगे just to get the views and to complete your joke that's wrong
आपको भी तो मिलता होगा ना बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म कि किसी को आपने न्यूडिटी की वजह से
उसको अगर प्रॉब्लम नहीं उनको क्या है
मिलता होगा बहुत
but they do not understand देखो normally some Bollywood films they show nudity and all other kind of glamorous things for the views to attract people. I don't need nudity to attract to watch my film. तो ये तो मेरा मकसद है ही नहीं तो अगर मुझे व्यूज चाहिए था तो I would have made films like comedy, romantic वो भी तो ऐसा करके तो I do not make films for mass audience as of now. I wouldn't say that I'm not gonna make any massive films. I will do it. Even I enjoy South Indian films, some films that are really massy, like RRR. I enjoyed it.
वाओ क्या मूवी था,
क्या मूवी ऐसा नहीं था लेकिन हाँ
अच्छा था जो
देख सकते हो
लेकिन कुछ सीन्स इतने बेकार थे वो बाइक जो चाहे उसने एक हाथ से रुका दिया
हाँ वो तो हाँ वही तो लोगों को वही लगता है ना तुम एज अ पर्सन जो कर नहीं सकते तुम्हारा जो हीरो है वो स्क्रीन में कर रहा है एंड वो तुमको लग रहा है कि भाई ये दिस इज मी मैं अगर हीरो होता ना तो ये करता भाई ये देखो क्या कर रहा है तो लोगों के बीच में वो उड़ के जाके भाई सबको मारता है तो भाई हाँ दिस इज व्हाट यू वांट टू डू नो समटाइम्स मेरा तो ख्याल आता है आई कीप इमेजिनिंग थिंग्स अ लॉट सो मेरा इमेजिनेशन में आता है आई एम द हीरो इन
हाँ,
माय लाइफ, सबका लाइफ में तुम्हारे लाइफ में हीरो,
बिल्कुल
तो you have that it's the projection of yourself into the hero that you see. So तभी तुमको अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ देखो ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब तुमको अगर रियलिटी दिखा दिया तो तुमको इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा भाई ये देखो 2 लोगों को मार नहीं पाया ऐसा करके. So हाँ that's why they show it like this.
पहले कार्टून आता था ना कि पावर रेंजर्स बोल के, तो
Power
सब बच्चा बोलता था कि मुझे रेड रेंजर बनना है, रेड रेंजर बनना है.
हाँ I haven't watched it.
पावर रेंजर्स आपने देखा?
नहीं.
कोई कार्टून देखा है ऐसा?
हाँ
कौन सा?
टॉम एंड जेरी हो गया, फिर पिकासो क्या था, सॉरी नॉट पिकासो क्या था, पोकेमॉन थोड़ा सा देखा था, और फिर पोपाय देखा.
डोरेमोन?
नहीं वो भाई हम 31.
डोरेमोन तो देखना चाहिए.
नहीं देखा है, ऐसा देखा है, लेकिन ऐसे बच्चे में नहीं, जब when I was a child ना
हाँ.
तब नहीं था शायद, पता नहीं भाई.
आपको मतलब कैरेक्टर्स को पता है?
पोपाय था और एक कुत्ता जो था, क्या क्या नाम था, एक कुत्ता था और बहुत लोग थे
कुत्ता था?
ऐसा. हाँ इतना भी नहीं देखता था वो सब वगैरह.
तो वो डोरेमोन का तो कैरेक्टर्स पता
हाँ
है?
वो पता है भाई.
आपको क्या लगता है कि वो शिजुका को जो है,
शिजुका वो लड़की है क्या?
हाँ वो लड़की जो है
हाँ.
उसको किसकी बात जाता है? डेकुसुगी राइट चॉइस है?
वो सब पता नहीं कौन देखुसी है भाई.
डेकुसुगी मतलब ऐसा लड़का है कि वो बहुत पढ़ता है, जेंटलमैन है, ग्रीन फ्लैग है, और नोबिता जो है वो कुछ काम नहीं करता, उसको नल्ला है, सोता रहता है, मार खा जाता है. तो शिजुका को किसको चूज करना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
What was his name? The other guy?
डेकिसुगी
डेकिसुकी.
और नोबिता.
देखो डेकिसुकी के पास अगर गया तो कार्टून में दिखाने के लिए कुछ नहीं रहेगा, तो कि हाँ he got the perfect match.
हाँ.
Right. See, someone who is working hard, any man that is working hard, doesn't like he will seem boring to you right now. अभी तुम you're 19 20 right, around 20. So अभी कोई अगर तुम्हारा फ्रेंड दिन रात पढ़ रहा है, वो जिम में जा रहा है, फिर कोई स्पोर्ट्स अगर उसको पसंद है उसमें जी-जा लगा रहा है, तो someone might feel that like वो पार्टी नहीं करता, हम लोग के साथ ऐसे घूमने नहीं जाता. He is working really hard for the future, and that future and वो गर्ल के रिगार्डिंग में जो बोल रहे हो ना, हाँ it's for their future if you're talking about a girl as well. So he's working hard. After 10 years, no, he'll be at a really good position. And that guy, those guys who are partying right now, I'm not saying partying is bad. I do party, everybody does. But Ketiseku is क्या था? Dekisuki. हाँ, so he should have done that. He should have.
डेकिसुगी ना?
Yeah, for sure.
वही है ना कि लड़कियां क्यों मतलब
See, I don't know. I haven't figured it out.
नहीं वो है ना
भगवान कृष्ण को नहीं पता भाई. तो मुझे भी पता नहीं. लेकिन see, I couldn't figure out girls for sure.
बैड बॉयज को क्यों चुनते हैं कि
Bad boys because they're emotional. Mostly emotional. Girls are emotional. They're not. See, I'm not saying it. Instagram reels did. So, how girls they say girls are emotional. They're not logical. They like they are logical as a person, but in love and relationship, they do not think logically. They goes along with their emotions. That's why maybe it seems that bad guy is having fun in his life, or maybe see. Whenever I'm saying things, I mean it, and I do not lie. I do not like to lie to people, and I'm not saying like I'm a good guy or a bad guy. But if someone is bad, what does bad mean? He might lie to get his work get done, right? So if someone is lying to your face, that like saying that like I'll do these things for you, but the other things doesn't matter. So that is attractive, I guess. I don't know.
और डोमिनेंट लड़की ज्यादा पसंद है ना लड़की के साथ?
Dominant लड़के भाई इतना मुझे नहीं पता, लड़की के बारे में नहीं पता. Trust me, I haven't.
You have much experience than me. That's why.
I told you, no, I have been single since 7 years, bro. Single, bro.
क्यों?
I haven't found the one. But like, I haven't really found the one. Will make me feel home. I haven't. I have met many people, but whenever you're talking to someone for around 1 month, 2 months, you know what's their motivation, what they want, and if they really see the future. Right now, I want to see the future, bro. I mean, if I'm talking to a girl, I want to wife her up. So I don't have time to just engage in small talks, then go on a date, then just waste my time, energy, and money. No. If I'm doing things, then I'm doing it for the future.
वो मेरे एज में बहुत सारे ऐसे लड़के हैं, मैं उनको नाम नहीं लूँगा, लेकिन वो
नाम ले लो क्या?
सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं.
Okay, they're your friends. Okay, cool.
वो है कि भाई 1200 रुपये बस जमा करने हैं, कॉलेज के बैक टेक में जाना है, और समझ जाइए आप.
Okay, I'm talking about
तो ऐसा वो है ना कि वो फीलिंग जो है वो कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं कि और इस एज में करना चाहिए, क्या आपको लगता है कि वर्जिनिटी लॉस कर देना चाहिए इस एज में?
So there are no rules, but see, अभी मैं old school लगूंगा, but if you are talking about the scriptures and everything, I wouldn't name those scriptures because I don't know. But like Sadhguru said things
Sadhguru.
about this. Sadhguru, like someone asked him that what is it about like having multiple relationships and having sex with a lot of people. When you're having sex with people, anybody, or maybe it can be one person, two person, three persons. Personally, even I feel that when you're sharing your body, your mind, there's an attachment. There's some energy that you are sharing. Share the same energy with many people, and there won't be you left in yourself. That's what I feel. And if you think that if you have met the right person and sex is not wrong, sex is beautiful, I feel sex is really beautiful, then just go ahead, it's cool. Just in the future, if you see yourself together, you two people. The thing you're talking about, it's illegal, for sure. Like the painting is illegal. Prostitution is not illegal, I guess. But
It's not illegal?
I don't think so.
Maybe.
Prostitution is not illegal if they are doing it in their private capacity, but it shouldn't hamper the society. And pimping is bad because that's where the crimes occur, right? Like एक लड़की को अगर forcefully sell कर रहा है या फिर कहीं पे लेके गया, वो those all things are pimping, right? Then he's taking contacts, all these things वो decide कर रहा है लड़का हो या लड़की जो भी हो. So pimping is illegal in India. I don't think prostitution is.
मुझे लगता है कि अभी हम पॉडकास्ट के चक्कर में
But you shouldn't.
हाँ
And at your age for sure.
हाँ मैं इसमें बात कर रहा हूँ कि
But it is the oldest job that has been there for forever, and for thousands of years, prostitution.
ओह वाह.
Oldest occupation.
मुझे लगता है कि हमारे बॉडी के अंदर सीमन जो है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, and there is a practice called semen retention in every scriptures.
Yeah. No.
Most of the scriptures.
No. See, Brahma. You're talking about Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya doesn't say that exactly that you should just.
It says exactly like that maybe.
No.
But like certain age.
Brahmacharya doesn't mean that. But just go ahead. I understand. No, आप तुम बोलो. It's cool.
मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि एक सर्टेन एज के बाद तुम्हें करना चाहिए, लेकिन एक सर्टेन एज है कि पहले गुरुकुल में क्या होता था कि 24 साल 25 साल तक उनको जंगल में रखा जाता था, उनको वहाँ पर मेडिटेशन सिखाया जाता था. दे वेर ट्रेन टू कंट्रोल देयर लस्ट, और उसके बाद 25 हो गया तो तुम लोग अभी कर सकते हो, तुम्हारा चॉइस है, लेकिन तब तक तुम्हें वो मेंटेन करके चलना है. और ये लस्ट एक ऐसा चीज़ हम लोग का इमोशन है मेरी, एंड देयर आर मेनी सेंसेस इन आवर बॉडीज, सो वी हैव टू कंट्रोल.
It's natural.
नेचुरल है, लेकिन कंट्रोल में रखने से एक होता है ना कि सुपर एनर्जी मिलता हुआ सर, बोलते हैं बहुत सुपर पावर्स.
हाँ, ये बहुत ट्रेंड में था जो सीमेन रिटेंशन के बाद बोल रहे हो, like no fap November, all this, no nut November.
No, not November.
Yeah, you do not know about it. It's about semen retention only. So of course, like if you do it regularly, for sure you're going to lose some energy, or your mind will keep thinking about these things only, right? So that's why maybe they say. But if you listen to Sandeep Maheshwari, he said, if you want to do something, just get done, get over with it. Then just focus on your work, right? That's what he feels. But I believe semen retention, it does work. If you can control yourself, energy for sure. So those energies you can utilize in creating something, doing something for the society, helping in the community, or just go to the gym, build a body, or some sports. And when you have like these things arise when you have a goal properly, that you want this thing, you want these things to be done for your parents, you want to achieve this much and all. When you have a clear cut goal, life में ये सब distractions नहीं आएंगे, questions भी नहीं आएंगे. If you want to do something, do it. If it's not illegal. So that I feel. I mean, you said about controlling your mind. Or if you're there was an example of Kautilya. So he said,
Chanakya Kautilya.
Yeah. So he talked about this Brahmacharya, not exactly Brahmacharya, but he was asking, what was the name of the king? Yuvraj, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. It's so too basic. But whatever it is. So what he said was, like, if you want to build the Akhand Bharat.
Hmm.
You have to stay away from these things.
Hmm.
Just focus on this. So yeah, basically what he means is like just focus on uniting India, and you have a lot of other things to do.
Hmm.
So it's a basic thing. It's a very basic human need. It's not bad until consent is there. Until and unless consent is there. So that's my comment on it.
मुझे लगता है कि आपका ये थॉट्स सुनने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि somehow you were also influenced by these things. Maybe I'm not sure.
Yeah, I do for sure. I'm a human being. Yeah.
मतलब influence मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि you were influenced by the right things, the brahmacharya, the celibacy, or
I tried.
you tried.
I mean, yeah,
Well,
celibacy.
yeah.
I haven't see. See,
If you are free to talk about this.
Yeah, free. Like, tell me what your question is.
Question like, did you ever try practicing brahmacharya or celibacy in your entire life? Like maybe.
Yeah,
in
I
your-
tried it.
For how long?
If you're talking about having sex or you're
No,
talking about
I'm
masturbation.
like no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking that did you ever try to follow the path of brahmacharya or celibacy? Did you ever try to become a monk?
Oh, monk. No. Brahmacharya doesn't mean, by the way, a monk.
It's
It's
like
not the
it's,
same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't think.
Did you ever follow?
See, I'm like social animal. I like to be with people around like all the time.
Like,
So,
Yeah.
if you're talking about going to the mountains and just being a monk, no.
Not like that, but like you can be a
Leaving
monk.
everything, all this thing, no.
You can be a monk like by living in the cities.
Explain. By doing what?
Like for example, in brahmacharya there is a concept is you have to consider every woman as a mother or as a sister.
Where is it written?
It is written in many scriptures.
No.
No.
Where is it?
I watched it.
Yeah, you was in a
You
maybe reel or a YouTube video. No.
Maybe.
No. Maybe they are talking about the brahmacharya part, not a monk.
ब्रह्मचारी हाँ ब्रह्मचारी
Yeah. Huh? But you mentioned monk as well.
हाँ
right?
मैं वही आ रहा था.
A monk doesn't mean that like he cannot have sex. He can.
Monk.
Yeah. The several versions of monks are there. And you said that, like I was thinking about going to the mountains and being a monk, leaving everything. But you said being in a city.
हाँ.
I thought you were talking about the mindset.
I'm not talking about the mindset, but
You're talking
No,
about
no.
certain things that is written in the scriptures, right? So I haven't. No, I never thought about it.
but like I was talking कि आपने mention किया कि monk हो गए तो you have to go in the mountains and you have to
No,
live
I
a
didn't
separate
say
life.
you will have to.
Hmm.
But that's what basically the concept is, right? Like how you'll have to leave the all the sanskari things, sansarika things.
संसार का हाँ.
Yeah. So then you will go to the mountains and meditate and be a monk,
Hmm.
leaving everything, every
Hmm.
sensual desires and everything, right? So I never thought about it.
But there are very few people right who are monks nowadays.
See, there is a monk who personally call himself a monk, living in the city. But see, you can call yourself a monk, but do all these things and have all this luxury and have all these sensual things, right? But for the people, you can just make a video and you can say, I'm a monk, and I do- so you can never
Yes,
believe
there are
it.
many fake gurus right.
Yeah, for sure. There's a writer as well, I forgot his name. He wrote a book as well. It's very, very popular.
The monk who sold his
No,
Ferrari.
not Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma is a writer. He's not a monk.
Oh, the monk who writes a book.
Yeah,
Wrote a book.
he says he is a monk, but there are some controversies around.
Yeah. Did you read Bhagavad Gita or any kind of?
Yeah, I do. Bhagavad Gita has
Same.
the small version.
Huh.
At first I read, then the larger one, but it's too tough to understand it. So it is said that you should always have a guru who can guide you through the Bhagavad Gita in the reading process. So I never had a guru. So to fully understand it, I need a guru, because personally I do not think that I have understood everything as it is written.
वो गुरु मिलना तो बहुत मुश्किल है ना आज के
Yeah,
टाइम
for
में.
sure.
Even
sure.
filmmakings, how will I find a very great teacher? So, do you have any advice to find a great teacher?
हाँ, फिल्म्स देखो, वहाँ का जो डायरेक्टर है उसका ही स्टोरी है ये. फिर रीड अ बुक एनी बुक, मतलब फिल्म मेकिंग का नहीं बोल रहा, ऐसे नोवेल पकड़ लो तो द पर्सन और मे बी हिज बायोग्राफी, ऑटोबायोग्राफी, so you will get all his teachings from his books or films. That's how. You do not need to go there and meet the person and learn from him. I told you, I love the work of Bhaskar Hazarika. He lives in Guwahati, but we never met.
Oh.
There's a saying, right? Like never meet your heroes. You should never meet your hero. So it's cool. I
So
mean,
you will never meet him?
no. So I didn't even try, but like we will meet someone maybe in some film festival or something. But the point that I was making that like you shouldn't just go to someone to learn from him. You can listen to him. It's easier for the podcast as well. From the podcast, his biography, autobiography, his work, you can study it, then learn from it. What kind of mistakes he had made, what you should avoid, all these things. But Bhagavad Gita का वही है, YouTube में जब जो videos है, I don't think they are enough to guide you through.
Yeah.
But there's a IITian guru.
Acharya Prasad maybe?
I guess so, yeah. I get his messages because I subscribe to his channel, not personal messages from his channel. So they're selling a course at around 999 rupees. But that, turned me off because you're teaching Bhagavad Gita. Then if you're charging someone to learn Bhagavad Gita, that's not the meaning of actually learning the Bhagavad Gita, right? So that's why I didn't enroll in the course. But I really do. I want to learn the Bhagavad Gita in every sphere of my life. That see, after reading the Bhagavad Gita, then only you can connect the dots looking at backwards. Now, if you have read the Bhagavad Gita, in the future you're gonna plan things accordingly. Bhagavad Gita, maybe you will get a part, but once you read it, you might not get all the answers or not understand it. But when you look backwards, then only you'll be able to connect the dots, like Steve Jobs said.
You will get a blueprint maybe.
Sorry?
You will get a blueprint.
You'll never get a blueprint of life.
Yeah.
Life is structured like that.
So are there any takeaways from Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, a lot, bro. I mean, one thing primarily that I believe in is just working. Working only for the sake of working, because it's my duty to work, not to crave any kind of, not to look forward to the results. Just
focus on your
process. The work, the process. That's how you love the journey. That's how the journey becomes beautiful than the destination. So destination should be your goal, but you shouldn't think about getting to the destination, but learn how to enjoy the process, how to enjoy the journey. So that's the main thing.
I'm currently reading Quran.
I want to.
I'm not reading, but I want to read Quran, like the Buddhism scriptures and the Bible also. I want to read every possible scripture from every.
Even I want to, but the problem is you need a guru for that. You just the one who knows it, what the meaning of a sentence is.
Just I want to get some superficial knowledge, like surface level knowledge.
Yeah, obviously you can. There's a black Bible, black or evil Bible as well. Yeah, one of my friend had it.
डेटिंग कल्चर के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
डेटिंग कल्चर
आजकल बहुत हुकअप्स वगैरह चल रहा है. So what's your thought on that?
I don't understand this hookup culture first, because I believe in one person that I want to be with. Like if you are mentioning Sadhguru, so Sadhguru said, like some person, like a youngster asked the Sadhguru, if a person is having multiple sex partners, is it a good thing or bad thing? Then he said, like when you're having sex with a person, then you're sharing your emotions, the energy. Then if you're sharing the same body, same consciousness with a lot of people, so in that same process you will lose yourself, right? So that I believe that is my thinking. And
थोड़ा stoicism है मतलब ना?
Yeah, you can talk about, you can name it stoicism, but like it's not basically stoicism. It's just a normal human body reacting to other people that is coming into our life, right?
आपको क्या लगता है कि एक तरफ जहाँ हुकअप कल्चर है कि लोग एक दूसरे को डेट कर रहे हैं अपना सब कुछ मान सम्मान छोड़ के, और एक
I love that word.
और एक तरफ
it's not about मान सम्मान and everything. If two person are giving their consent to have sex, they can. It's their choice. I'm giving you my version. Yeah, and it has been a long gap. Last time I was in a relationship back in 2018.
Yes.
Yeah.
कुछ मेमोरीज याद है तब के आपको?
Memories like good.
वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था आपका?
Yeah, I mean it's a roller coaster. Roller coaster था सबका ऐसा नहीं होगा ना कि फेयरी टेल है, सब कुछ अच्छा है. So two human beings coming together to solving their own problems. तो problems होंगे, breakups भी होंगे, that's cool. In the end, I feel I'm destined to meet somebody that I haven't met so far. So that I believe in.
मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछूं तो
Yeah.
आर यू
पूछो ब्रो, पूछो. Yeah.
मतलब आपको कैसी लड़कियां ज़्यादा पसंद है इन टर्म्स ऑफ यू, आपको कैसे वुमेन में कौन कौन से क्वालिटीज़ अच्छे लगते हैं जो आपके लिए एक एट्रैक्टिव साइन है या फिर
हाँ, the first thing is of course the frequency should meet and match. But rather than answering this question, I'm not choosing anything here.
Okay.
But personally, I feel for that woman that I'm thinking of, if I'm the right person to be her with. So इसमें एक theory है मेरा. तो I have a sister, she is getting married in 4 days, 5 days. So I was thinking she had chosen the husband to be husband by herself. So if I had to choose somebody for my sister, तो कैसा आदमी choose करता? Someone who can just work hard and who has seen the lowest point of his life as well and उसको fight करके वो ऊपर तक पहुंचा. Someone who can stand by her side, stand for her, and someone who actually knows what real life is. It's not about someone just playing the guitar, someone showing her the good time. It's about the whole life, right? So she should be with him, happy, and he should make a garden, just this concept of garden, like chasing butterflies and building a garden. So I want someone who can make her feel safe in his garden. So like that, if I'm placing myself into that position, if I'm searching for some woman into my life, if I'm the right person, I believe right now I'm not the right person. And that's why I'm not dating anybody right now, because I've been preparing for a few things. Then I quit my jobs as well, just to be a stronger person, to be financially more stronger in my life right now. So which I think I will be in 2025. I'm hoping to. So yeah, that's the thing. So it's not about finding qualities in somebody else, but to saying if I have those qualities in myself to make someone feel safer in her life and to live a really, really good life together. So I don't think I have those in right now in me. So I'll just wait and make myself a better person for her.
आपने एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट अभी चीज़ बोला कि आपने जॉब वगैरह क्विट कर दिया था. तो होता है ना कि सोसाइटी में जब हम कुछ अलग करना चाहते हैं, अलग रास्ते में जाना चाहते हैं, तो खुद अलग लोग नहीं लेकिन खुद के पेरेंट्स ही हमें पुल डाउन करते हैं कि ये गलत है, ये मत कर. शर्मा जी के लड़के को देख वो क्या कर रहे हैं. सो उनसे हम कैसे डील करें कि हम अपने पेरेंट्स को ही कैसे परसुएट करें, क्योंकि मैं भी अगर ये सब अभी कर रहा हूँ तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स भी मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो उससे हम कैसे डील करें?
Whatever I'm doing right now, my parents do not support me 100%. I'm not talking about art. I left a job to get a better job, which I like, which I will be feeling alive in every moment that I'm in the job, doing the job. So मुझे पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए. And I know I can earn money by doing anything that I want to do. There are multiple ways and I'm capable enough for that. And I'm doing it right now. So I left my government job, but I'm working as a teacher, as well, educator as well, making films as well. But see, parents will only stop you from doing something at my age. I'm talking about right now. If you're not earning money, and if you're fulfilling your dreams and you can help to build theirs as well, at least to some extent, they won't stop. They know that they just want us to be safe, like a partner. Like if somebody wants a partner to be safe and happy, parents does the same thing, right? So that's what they do. They not necessarily do not align with our vision. It's about just making their children feel safer, like financially or even in physical terms as well. They want him or her to be safer. So that's what they are doing. But sometimes when frequencies do not match and they do not support, get that support for yourself. Always support yourself. Stand up for yourself. Right now, in many fields, not many people support me in my things, but it's always me versus me. I mean, I always support myself, and if I do something wrong, I go really hard on myself. That I've done this thing wrong. I maintain a journal every day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I keep writing points what I did. I reflect on my day, what should have been a great, better approach to my life on that specific day. So I keep writing things and read books, bro. I mean, learn from other people's failures mostly. More than success, learn from someone else's failure,
Yes.
because that will save you time, energy, and whole your life. You have just one life to live, so that's how you do it, I guess. I haven't made it so far, but I'll do it.
You're still on it process.
Yeah.
वही अभी होता है ना कि चाइल्डहुड बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट करता है हमारे
True.
फ्यूचर को, तो मैक्सिमम जो जेंसीज हैं तो उनका चाइल्डहुड अभी देखा जाए तो पेरेंट्स के साथ थोड़ा सा टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप है शायद
You cannot generalize.
मैक्सिमम लोगों का आजकल, क्योंकि
I don't know.
दे मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि मैं भी एक जेंसी
See,
हूँ तो
I'm more close to my mom. With my father, I do not talk much.
सेम सेम
Yeah.
आपका भी ऐसा है कि मैं आपको बोल रही
It's
हूँ
not
कि इसके
toxic, but he's very strict. He has been very strict. And abhi, when you start earning your own money, you can spend your own money. Then, if you want to pursue some goals, dreams, you can just invest your money and time and energy, right? Then you do not need to ask for someone else's permission. Doesn't matter if it's your parents or all, but if your conscience is telling you that you're in the right path, you're doing the right thing, and you're helping your society grow, you're helping your community grow. So that's all it matters, bro. I mean, parents will understand later. It's cool.
आपको क्या लगता है कि आर पेरेंट्स रॉन्ग एट
No,
सम
देखो,
पॉइंट
अभी-
टाइम?
नहीं, मुझे बोलना होगा कि कौन सा सीरीज में. You cannot generalize things, right? Parents are not always wrong.
इस सीन में
But-
इस सीन में कि
कौन सा?
अगर उसका उनके खुद के बच्चे अगर कुछ परस्यू करना चाह रहे हो और उनके पेरेंट्स अगर
क्या pursue करना चाहते हैं, वो चीज़ है.
कोई भी अच्छा करियर अगर वो चूज कर रहे हैं,
What career? Be specific.
लेट्स सपोज कि कोई फिल्म मेकिंग ही चूज कर रहा है,
Uh-huh.
लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि वो फिल्म मेकिंग ना करे, स्टडीज में फोकस करे, कुछ भी करे, तो इस सीन में कौन गलत है कौन सही है?
It's that son's or daughter's responsibility to make them feel safer. That this is what I'm doing. I'm really good at it. And they can show them some results, small results, send it to film festivals, win it. They will see that you're getting featured on newspapers, people are talking about it. What is happening is my father, whenever he goes somewhere nowadays, people talk about my films, that Chinmay has made this thing. I'm a really good fan. I wouldn't use this, but yeah. So I saw his work, and he's doing really good. And he sees the newspaper clippings and all. And he says as well in WhatsApp nowadays. So this is how you make him believe, and he knows that I don't want to take it as a profession. But even if I wanted to do it, if I'm earning from it, then the part of earning comes, right?
Yes.
Because of course the financial security always you'll need it. As a parent, you will want your son or daughter to be safer financially. So that confidence, it's your responsibility to make him believe in you, not the other way around. Right, so it's just protection, but just sometimes the age gap and all, it doesn't match, because not many people from our land are becoming filmmakers,
Yes.
are great filmmakers. So we gotta celebrate those filmmakers as well, or artists who has done good in life and they're earning as well. It's not only about focusing on making the film or art and just getting praises. Just you gotta earn some money as well to pay your bills. So it matters if you're taking it as a profession.
अभी जो क्वेश्चन है, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको आंसर करना ही है,
Uh-huh.
यू आर फ्री टू
Cool.
स्किप इट।
Yeah.
लड़कों का बहुत ज़्यादा ये होता है अपने पिताजी के साथ कि ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे और इतना फीलिंग्स कभी शेयर भी नहीं होता।
They do not even allow,
हाँ,
even if you want
yes.
to. So
Because they
that's-
want us to be more stronger, maybe.
No, not always. Not always. It depends, right? You cannot generalize people or fathers as a whole community of fathers. Sometimes maybe yes, but sometimes you need someone. You can share a lot of things with your mom, but with your father, it's a whole different thing. He's a male.
Yeah.
Male to male, the connection is something different. You cannot you can say a few things with your mom, but she might not understand it. So that's why the whole mother-father relationship is there, right? Like so that you can approach any of them. But how the culture of approaching a father in Indian society, I have seen it like the bonding is not that great always.
तो
So it's
होता है ना कि लड़कों का सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम ये नहीं होता है कि उनको एक सक्सेसफुल करियर चाहिए या फिर एक अच्छी वाइफ चाहिए, उनको बस अपने पिताजी को एक बार गले लगाना होता है। तो
no, those are coming from reels, I guess.
रील्स भी नहीं है, लेकिन सच बात भी है सारी मे बी
For sure, I
ये
want to
बहुत
say
सारे-
him क्या a few things, but like I couldn't. And
तो आपने
ये
कभी-
allow नहीं करते यार।
किया या ट्राई किया आपने कि आज भाई बहुत सैड है तो
हाँ वो चीज़ है कि like it's बिहू सीजन right now, तो भोगाली बिहू में ये होता है कि we सरण छूते हैं बड़े लोगों का, like my mom, देता, then आयता, then बॉडेता, तो that's how you come in contact that you're showing your respect. That's the closest that I have been with my father in the last 1 year, that like just going down. हाँ सही है।
सर का हाथ आ गया था 3 बार।
अभी ठीक है, हो गया मुझे
ये क्या सुबह ऐसे में क्या खा रहे हो तुम?
কি খবর হইলো পরে বুটটা সামনে
टाइम पास हो गया।
टाइम पास
वो टूपनी तो नहीं लगा सुबह है सुबह।
चलो स्टार्ट करो।
ये चाहिए क्या निकोटिक्स?
सर चाइल्डहुड के जब बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ तो आपका बेस्ट मेमोरीज याद है आपको चाइल्डहुड का? बेस्ट की बचपन में ये
like
चीज
a lot of memories, but like of course I cannot enumerate them कि ये एक 1 number है, 2 number, 3 numbers है. A lot. Working in the field, sometimes like for like just make mazes in भोगाली बिहू, बोहाग बिहू में जो friends है गाँव का, तो उन लोगों के साथ जाके हुसोरी मारना वो सब है. फिर it's just it feels really weird कि हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं सब.
हाँ हाँ आप बोलिए ना कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
ऐसे इसमें ना it's cool एक फ्लो में है.
हाँ हाँ वो भी है।
हाँ तो वो एक चीज़ हो गया. बाकी तुम्हारा स्कूल फ्रेंड्स एंड बाकी स्कूल वीक्स में ना I used to participate in everything like art and culture, sports. I used to win around 17 to 18 awards like every year. It was a great feeling कि माँ यहाँ पे ठहरी हुई है, तो फिर I'm going up to the stages, then I'm coming back, handing over the award to her, then again going back again. So it was a great feeling to be number 1 student. So yeah, those feelings. Then I'm going to the art classes.
ड्राइंग
Yeah, drawing for 3 years, preparatory only. Playing cricket with my friends in the field. So those things.
हम लोग का भी एक ड्राइंग से याद है मुझे सर कि
Yeah.
हम लोग अभी 2 स्टार्टअप रन कर रहे हैं। एक हम लोग का रेस्टोरेंट का है, लेकिन मेन हम लोग का जो स्टार्टअप है वो है हम लोग का कि हम लोग का एक विजन है कि हम लोग को इंडिया के जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं या किड्स हैं उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करना है। ओलंपिक्स हो गया या फिर कोई भी हो गया, मतलब डांस का प्लेटफॉर्म हो गया, सिंगिंग का प्लेटफॉर्म हो गया, और वो हम कर रहे हैं स्कूल्स में जाके स्कूल के बच्चों को ट्रेन करके।
Beautiful.
तो ये हम लोग नाम दिया बियॉन्ड बुक्स, मतलब बुक्स
Oh,
के बाहर
beautiful.
बहुत
It's
कुछ है।
beautiful. This is what we do actually. RHA, Robin Hood Army. I'm a volunteer. Earlier I was with NDCHRC, that was back in Delhi. So we used to educate those slum area children, underprivileged state children. So how to maintain hygiene. Then we used to provide them books, then clothes on winter. We used to visit their homes, provide them with good foods and medicines as well. Then after that, and in Guwahati, we went to deaf and dumb schools and all. So we used to teach them what is good touch and bad touch, and all other things that we used to do in Delhi, we used to do in Guwahati as well. I was the city lead there in Guwahati for the NGO. Then I joined RHA back in Delhi when I was. This time I didn't
Human
go for a
Rights
job. No, RHA,
RHA
Robin Hood Army.
अच्छा रोबिन।
Yeah, so I was back in Delhi, but this time I went not for a job, but for a coaching. So I went there. I joined RHA. I loved it. What they do is every day the restaurant, because you have a restaurant as well. In restaurant there's surplus food at the end of the day.
Okay.
So I'm not talking about the bad ones, like some untouched food that you cannot use tomorrow maybe. So we RHA have a directly contact with them. to the owners of a restaurant. So whenever you have surplus food, तो आप कांटेक्ट करोगे RSA का एक मेंबर को कि ऐसा ऐसा है, हम लोग के पास ऐसा इनफ फूड है फॉर 20 पीपल 30 पीपल, और RSA का एक कम्युनिटी है अलग अलग जगह में, तो वहाँ का ग्रुप में जाएगा कि ऐसा ऐसा है, कौन कौन आ सकता है, 8 बजे लेके आना होगा, तो वो कोई जाएगा हम लोगों का टीम से 1 2 3 4 पीपल, तो जाके वो जो जिन लोगों को खाना नहीं मिला या फिर स्ट्रीट डॉग्स एंड ऑल, तो उन लोगों को खिलाएंगे वो खाना, ताकि फूड वेस्ट ना हो, क्योंकि हम लोग का इंडिया में ही सिर्फ ये तो RSA ऑल ओवर साउथ ईस्ट एशिया है, लेकिन इंडिया में ही बहुत सारा फूड डेली लेवल में बहुत वेस्ट होता है, तो हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं कि वेस्ट ना हो। और RSA का और एक है जो एक एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट है, तो हम लोग सैटरडे संडेज को ये अंडर प्रिविलेज स्टूडेंट्स लोगों को पढ़ाते हैं। I used to educate about them art and culture. Then when I was in police, so I used to educate them about drugs. Like they used to be some smugglers as well. People used to use those children. Like they used to just communicate with those peddlers and all. So yeah, so that was a really bad scene there. So I used to tell them what can be the worst thing can happen to their life, and the diverse effects of drug in their life. So वो बात हो गया, आर्ट एंड कल्चर का हो गया, then books, comic book reading sessions, playing sessions, वो सब होते थे। तो whatever you are doing now is really great.
हम लोग का
The vision is beautiful.
मेन मोटिव ये है कि हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट स्टार्ट किया है, वहाँ से फंड करके हम इसमें लगाएंगे, इस मेन वाले में।
Cool.
आपका जब मैं चैनल देख रहा था ना, तो आपका 7-8 साल पहले आपने वीडियोस अपलोड किया था, फिल्मोरा में एडिट करके शायद ना, कि NGO में कुछ काम कर रहे
हाँ
हैं।
वही हम लोग का NDCHRC बोल के दिल्ली का एक NGO था।
वहाँ ऐसा कभी मोमेंट रहा था कि ये ऐसा चीज़ मैंने देख लिया जिसने मेरा आज दुनिया को देखने का पर्सपेक्टिव अलग कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ मोमेंट आप बोलना चाहेंगे?
Like there was a slum area, Basant Kunj I guess, in Delhi. So वहाँ पे हट्स थे, like ऐसे कपड़ा बिछा के ना, वहाँ पे हट जैसा बना के रखा था, ठीक है। तो they used to cook some food, like रोटी वगैरह बना के रखा है, तो अंदर रखने का भी जगह नहीं है, तो ऐसे फैला के रख दिया। वहाँ पे कुत्ते भी आके उसको खा रहे हैं, और वो ही चीज़ वो लोग भी खा रहे हैं, बच्चे लोग ऐसे अनहाइजीन तरीके से यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं। तो एक ही रूम में 3-4 बच्चे हैं, उन लोगों को 3-4-5 बच्चे हैं, और माँ बाप वो अराउंड 7 पीपल लिविंग इन द सेम रूम भी नहीं है, वो तो कपड़ा बिछा के रखा
कितना
है।
बड़ा रूम है ये?
नहीं है भाई, इससे हाफ होगा।
इससे भी half
हाँ,
होगा, उसमें
वहाँ पे
साथ
सब कुछ, तो वहाँ पे ऐसे जिंदगी जी रहे हैं लोग। तो then I felt कि
दिल्ली में ना?
हाँ दिल्ली में
दिल्ली में
इस्लाम एरियाज बहुत ज़्यादा है ऐसे। और हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि सरकार कुछ नहीं कर रहा, करते हैं, NGOs भी करते हैं। Some people willingly they do not want to come out of their slum area, those slum
क्यों?
areas,
ऐसा क्यों?
because they are getting everything for free, some food, some help and everything. If they move out to a better place, no one will come, right? So हाँ, सबका नहीं बोल रहा मैं, like some people still stay there. कोई काम करके तो बाहर काम करते हैं, कोई तो उन लोगों को तो पैसे मिलते हैं, तो they could move to a better place, but they do not, just because they are getting everything for free. So वो भी एक इशू है, जैसे freebies जैसा इशू है, जस्ट इलेक्शंस में जो freebies मिलते हैं, तो it's kind of same thing, right? They want the freebies, that's why they vote for a certain party, so like that. It's not only about Delhi, it's all about the India. So those things are reasons.
आपने आसाम में भी कभी इन्वेस्टिगेट किया कि आसाम में भी इतने स्लम एरियाज है?
नहीं है, मतलब होगा, है, जैसे तुम्हारा अभी तो ट्रेन से जा रहे हो, जब तुम वहाँ पे रुकोगे ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, 2 स्टेशन है ना, एक मालीगांव हो गया और एक हो गया पल्टन बाजार, वहाँ पे
पलटन बाजार, अच्छा।
वहाँ पे लोग ना भाई, मैंने बच्चे देखे हैं, वो ऐसे इतना बच्चा है भाई, हार्ट में डेंड्राइट, ऐसे वो उसको सूंघते रहेंगे भाई, गिर जाएगा पटाख करके। हो क्या रहा है भाई, इनको कैसे क्या ही समझाए इन लोगों को,
क्या नशे मिलते हैं ना,
ऐसा है भाई, ऐसा है उन लोगों को, तो उन लोगों को एज ए पैडलर यूज करते हैं भाई। तो उसको देख के लगा कि भाई बहुत कुछ करने का तो अभी है, तो उनको हाइजीन के बारे में बता के कुछ फायदा नहीं है, नशा मुक्ति करवाना होगा उनको, दिन रात ऐसे पी रहे हैं, तो वो सब चीज़ें हैं जो अभी भी बहुत काम करना है लोगों को, और डेंजरस भी है एरिया थोड़ा सा।
आपको कभी ऐसा लगा है कि मुझे एक टाइम के बाद लाइफ में कि ऐसा कुछ करना है सोसाइटी के लिए या फिर इन पुअर पीपल के लिए, ऐसा कुछ आपने सोचा है?
फॉर श्योर, ऐसा नहीं कि भाई इतना होने के बाद मैं करूँगा हेल्प। तो आई स्टार्टेड आई वांट टू कॉल इट अ मूवमेंट, बट गुड डीड डेली बोल के एक स्टार्ट किया था कि एवरीबॉडी, ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ आज अच्छा काम करूँगा घर से निकल के आ गया, ऐसा नहीं। तुम काम में जाओगे, अगर दिखाई दिया कि किसी को हेल्प चाहिए तुम्हारा,
हाँ
help them, help that person, help that animal, और क्लिक अ पिक्चर, क्लिक करके हाँ बोलता हूँ क्यों, क्लिक करो, सोशल मीडिया में पोस्ट करो विद अ हैशटैग कि गुड डीड डेली, ठीक है, तो उसको देख के 10 जना और दिखेंगे भाई इसने ये फॉलो कर रहा है और अच्छा काम कर रहा है, ठीक है, तुमने देख लिया, तुमको लगा कि भाई मुझे भी क्लाउडिंग करना है इंस्टाग्राम में, ठीक है, मैं भी करूँगा अच्छा काम, किसी को खाना देते हुए तुम खाना दे, मतलब किसी का फेस मत लाओ, और ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को खाना ही दे रहे हो, यू आर मेकिंग समवन हैप्पी, मे बी योर मॉम, उसको हंसा दिया, या फिर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स उनको कुछ दे दिया, ऐसा करके वो दे गॉट रियली हैप्पी, सो ऐसा कुछ काम करो कि समवन इज हैप्पी, और एन एनिमल, तो उसका फोटो लो, ऐसा नहीं कि उसको खाना देते हुए फोटो, उसको खाना खाने दो, उसके बाद क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड पोस्ट इट, बिकॉज उसके बाद तुमको लगेगा कि देखो तुमको मन नहीं है, किसी को हेल्प करने का मन नहीं है, जस्ट बिकॉज यू वांटेड टू फॉलो दैट ट्रेंड, you help somebody, you took a photo, then you posted, but उसका help तो हो गया ना, everybody does, government does कि उसको दिखाते हैं कि ये हम लोगों ने अच्छा काम किया, everybody does, Somoy Gogoi on YouTube, he's doing amazing work, but उनको देख के भी बहुत लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं, और अगर वो दिखाते नहीं तो किसी को पता नहीं चलता, और उसका जैसा काम तो और दूसरा कोई भी शायद कर रहा है तो लोगों को पता नहीं है, बट ही इज डूइंग ग्रेट, क्योंकि दिखाना चाहिए लोगों की भाई दिस इज हाउ यू कैन हेल्प द कम्युनिटी ग्रो, लोगों को जब हेल्पलेस हो जाए जो उन लोगों को ये हेल्प कर रहा है, सो दैट वाज माय मोटिवेशन, लाइक टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, फॉलो हुआ थोड़ा देर, उसके बाद बहुत लोगों ने किया, लेकिन उसके बाद फेड आउट हो गया वैसे भी, और मैं सोशल मीडिया में भी था नहीं टू कीप द मूवमेंट फॉरवर्ड, इट्स अ मीडियम राइट, इट्स नॉट अबाउट क्लाउडिंग और शोइंग ऑफ, इट्स जस्ट मोटिवेट अदर्स टू डू द सेम, so that's what I started at that point of time. What was your question? I forgot. But
can we take that movement more forward?
which moment? Yeah, oh yeah, help me out. Help me out.
Can we?
Yeah, with
Like
your-
we can teach that in our Beyond Books Academy.
Yeah, we
हम
can.
लोग सोशल मीडिया को यूज करते हैं, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना सर कि
ये देखो, ये सोशल मीडिया का जो लोग हैं, जो
हाँ.
सोशल मीडिया like 18+ people,
हाँ
they might think all sort of things, right? You know, like, this is clouding, this is all the things.
Show off.
But if you just make them understand, the small children that you're talking about, if they need to do something for a, like, just a single good deed in a week, so it will be phenomenal. By the time they grow up, they will learn so many things, so many values, and yeah, you can do
एक
it.
काम कर सकते हैं क्या हम
Yeah.
कि मुझे पता है बच्चों को मैं जितना भी समझाऊंगा वो लोग समझने नहीं वाले,
नहीं वाले.
मतलब जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं वो लोग फॉलो करेंगे शायद 1-2 दिन तक, लेकिन वो रेगुलरली नहीं करेंगे, तो हम
No,
ऐसा
you'll
कर
have to
सकते हैं।
treat them. No, you'll have to treat them. If they're doing something good and sharing with the people, see, there are some regular intervals of meetings.
Huh.
After 1 month, you'll have a meeting. You'll have a play time together. Then everybody will come. You will ask them like, what kind of good things, good deeds have you done? They will share things, right? They will get motivated by each other's work. Yeah, that way you can.
तो हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं क्या कि हम खुद वो बच्चे को बोलेंगे कि तुम हमारे सामने हेल्प करो और तुम्हारा फोटो हम
ना
ऐसा नहीं कर सकते।
ना उसको you have to make them understand that, like, you're doing it not for like somebody has asked you to. You're doing it because it's the right thing to do. They will understand only by doing, not by you cannot make them do something, and they won't even understand that it's a good deed. They will think that, like, they are being forced to do something.
कि एक हफ्ते में
It's like CSR, like, companies will have to pay CSR out of the compulsion, right?
डेफिनेटली,
Yeah.
सो
it's
उनको
like that.
मतलब डीपली हमें समझाना पड़ेगा ये चीज़।
हाँ, what's good deed, और बड़े लोग ऐसे विवेकानंद जी हो गया, बुद्धा हो गया, हम लोग का स्टोरी से करके, तो बच्चों को तो वैसे ही सिखाते हैं। तो डिफेंस दम स्कूल में जब गए थे हम लोग, वहाँ पे इट वाज अ टास्क, ही टास्क, बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट स्पीक, वी हैड टू टीच देम हाउ व्हाट इज अ good touch and bad touch. We sketched a few things, then we showed it to them, we danced and all, and they understood. वहाँ से ना मुझे एक चीज़ अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि भाई जितना लोग थे, अराउंड 100 पीपल स्टूडेंट्स हुए थे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे, तो अगर 10 को भी समझ में आ गया, एंड इवन इफ आई हैव saved somebody from getting molested, so because obviously they're vulnerable, right? They cannot speak and they cannot even communicate directly with their parents, so I'll be so lucky if they got saved by that single class. क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी एक हुआ है incident when I was a child, so I don't want to put stress on that, but yeah, so I believe that, like, that is the right thing to do.
आपको क्या लगता है कि चाइल्ड को कैसे रेज करना चाहिए कि कल को अगर आपका
हाँ, but
फ्यूचर
I'm
जनरेशन हुआ तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कैसे आपको उसको ट्रीट करना चाहिए
the
कैसे
very first thing that whatever love I didn't get
from
from maybe my father or other people as well. So I will love them, but you know I'll teach them how to be independent for sure, how to live on their own as well. I wouldn't see I love like we were talking about a few moments earlier, about MMA, boxing, all these things. I love it, and see, all my life I have been chasing this other dreams than this exams and all. So I couldn't learn boxing. I was around 8 years old. I told my mom that I want to learn boxing, but they didn't allow because I was always fighting. So they thought कि if I learn, अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा ये boxing fighting करेंगे ये इसको नहीं देते हैं तो नहीं दिया. But now I'm learning it. But I cannot be a pro. I cannot go to Olympics maybe. So all these things I cannot do it. But ये जो मेरा इच्छाएं रह गई ना अभी कि देखो बॉक्सर बनना था नहीं हुआ ये इम्पोज नहीं करेंगे बच्चे के ऊपर
कि आपका ड्रीम्स उनको नहीं बोलेंगे कि तुम मेरे ड्रीम्स
नहीं करेंगे तो आई विल टीच देम एवरीथिंग कि ये भी देखो वो भी करो ये भी करो आर्ट भी एक्सप्लोर करो वो भी करो व्हाटएवर दे चूज they think they can be the best or they are enjoying it so they will follow that only and the partner thing you were asking I want a mother who understands her children and and we can complement each other in growing the